So hi guys, Dr. Nikki at your cervix here, and today I'm telling you guys how to wash your vagina properly. So it's understandable that we might be a little bit confused on how to do it because there are conflicting evidence online. There are many sources telling you what to wash it with, many sources say what not to wash it with, and everybody's now fascinated with their vagina smelling like roses and lavender and all the different fragrances. I'm here to tell you today that's not what we do and that's not what is recommended. So in order to jump into washing the vagina, we need to know the different parts and what exactly is the vagina. So it's important to note that the vagina is an inside canal. The part that we see on the outside, these are my joints. Please don't ridicule me for them, I'm not the best artist. So the part that we see outside is actually not our vagina. These are our vulvas. We have the big one outside, which is our labia majora, and the small one, the inner lip, labia minora. And you see this little bump that I put here is the clitoris, right? And up here where your hair grows is what we call the mons pubis. So all of this is not your vagina. These are your vulvas. I just put a little other depiction here to say that there are many different vulvas, and if you want to learn more about the different type of vulvas or the type of vulva you have, I have another video for that. But they just know that there are very different vulvas for everybody. No two persons are the same. So as regards to what exactly is the vagina, as I told you before, the vagina is the inside canal. So just at the bottom here is the labia majora, the lip on the outside, the lip on the inside, and the clitoris. The inside canal is the vagina that extends from your cervix, that's the neck of the womb, down to the front there. So down to the opening, that is your vagina. So the outside portion that you're going to wash is not your vagina, that's your vulva. This is your vagina. The vulva, the area composed of hairs. There's also a lot of bacteria that are on the skin, and oils when you sweat can get trapped between these areas, which can cause an odor. So it is recommended to wash your vulva. As regards to the vagina, on the other hand, the vagina is the inner portion, which is on the inside hair. And it's important to know that the cervix or the neck of the womb hair produces vaginal discharge, which cleans the inside hair, and that take care of everything that needs to be taken care of. So you do not need to put anything up inside the canal to wash inside the hair. The only part that we recommend washing are the vulvas. So as regards to going in the shower, you get some lukewarm water and you just wash the mons pubis, which is here, the top part that has the hair coming down. So lukewarm water to break up the oils and so on. What you're going to get to do the washing are unscented soaps and unscented washes. Why? Because scented products are known to cause more irritation. They may leave a fragrance that your vagina smells good, but they are known to cause more irritation, and more irritation leads to more infection of the vaginal area. So you get your lukewarm water. Next thing you're going to get is your unscented soap, and you're going to rub the mons pubis. So you rub. You can part the outer lip and go on the inside for the inner lip and rub with your scented soap. You can remove the hood of the clitoris and rub around the area and wash it as well, because you can have buildup in that area as well. When you're finished rubbing all of this area, the next thing you're going to do is go to the perineal area, which is the area between your anus or your butthole and the vagina. So you wash your hands, then you rub that area with your unscented soap, and then you go to the anus to rub it with your unscented soap. It's important to note that we do not wash from back to front, because you can pull bacteria from the anus to come into the vagina. We wash from front to back. We're finished with that. We just dab with a dry towel to just keep the area clean and dry. Another step that a lot of persons jump to is to moisturize the area after drying it to prevent any irritation from the dryness that we may get. Once pubis area, you can use your unscented moisturizer. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Dr. Nikki at your service for lots more interesting content. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.